Good morning, everyone. At the outset, I would like to thank our honorable management, ESICT, IIT Roorkee, under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, the principal, the academic director and dean, research and development, the heads of various departments, and my dear faculty. On this occasion, it's an honor to welcome you all to the inauguration of College Faculty Development Program on AI-powered IoT and Python applications in EV systems and charging networks at Mother Teresa Institute of Engineering and Technology, Palantir, in collaboration with ENICT, IIT Roorkee, course coordinator for this program, Dr. S. Suryaprabha, Dean R&D, MTI EAT.
Esteemed faculty and participants, I am grateful for your presence. This program aims to enhance teaching skills, explore new brains, and foster research collaboration. I wish always the speaker and participants a fruitful experience, where this program brings valuable insights, networking opportunities, and growth for all involved. Let NAC this moment of these 5 days.
Begin this auspicious occasion by lighting the lamp, symbolizing the dispelling of darkness and pursuit of knowledge and research. Let's now invoke divine blessing with a soulful prayer song presented by Miss Geeta. Please join us in this beautiful moment.
Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Jaya Ganayaka, Sarva Vidya Dayaka, Sakala Vidya Nayaka, Sarva Vidya Dayaka, Sakala Vidya Nayaka, Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Ganesha, Jaya Jaya Ganayaka. नासरीतो भीष्मदाता वासवामृत श्रीकरा श्रीकरा
now welcome our esteemed principal, Dr. M. Srinath Reddy, to address us and share his valuable insights on the area.
Honorable management, today's special guests, and Masud sir, special officer with you, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Director Academics, and Class Officer, employees, deans, faculty members. Good morning, all of you. With today's occasion, we are conducting a 5-day national TP program on AI-powered IoT and Python applications in EV systems and charging networks. It's a proud moment for all of us by conducting this type of 5-day faculty development program for enriching our faculty and students in the area of artificial intelligence. All of you are aware, artificial intelligence now is a buzzword globally. And all the activities are covered with artificial intelligence, and we must know and what are the advancements are in artificial intelligence for every applications. On this occasion, I would like to inform you that gain the knowledge in the field of artificial intelligence, especially in the EV, electrical vehicle systems. And I request all of you, all of us attend the program and gain the knowledge. And also I want to congratulate the management, Savarna sir, Surya Prabha madam, and all the HODs for making this FTP program a grand success for coming 5 days. With these comments, thank you one another. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We warmly welcome the Senior Director of Staff and share his views and insights on the area, setting the goal for 2020.
Honorable correspondent, Chairman, today chief guest, Dr. Rashid Singh, Professor and Scientist, Institute of Technology University, Bangalore, post-coordinator, Associate Program, Manager, student, Harvard Business, Dubai. Other concepts in the engineering technology and association statement, study FTP on AI powered IoT and Python applications in EV system and charging network. Further, IIT thanks to IIT Actually, 4 to 5 months conversation between other institutes, engineering technology, and IIT getting this FTP. Try to satisfy whatever they expecting. They try to satisfy the criteria. After satisfying the criteria, we got a MOU. Through the MOU only, we got this FTP. once again, thanks for IIT Roorkee. Like this, as a LPITN, we had a MOU with the premier institution, IIT Mumbai, IIT Madras, IIT Roorkee, and then IIS ISRO, IIT Mandy, NIT Warangal, it's in process, it will be happen soon. And we also know we had a MOU with the international institution also, that is AC Institute of Technology, Thailand. Thank you all the institutions being with us. Now I am going to brief about the Friday sessions. Session starts with Dr. Ashwini Gowda, Professor Scientist, Vishweshwaraya Technology University. So thank you sir, thank you for accepting our invitation and being with us today. And today afternoon session, Dr. Dakshayani, Professor from Accelerated Kottayam, day 2, Dr. M. Stalin, Professor from IISP. He will be having both the forenoon and afternoon session. Sam will be having theory as well as an answer session. Day 3, handled by Dr. P. Raja, NIT Tiruchirappalli. Sarah will be handling both morning and afternoon session. Sarah will be handling both theory as well as answer session. Day 4, forenoon session handled by Mr. Venkatramana, Scientist at DRDO. That will be handled forenoon session. And from afternoon session, day 4 afternoon session to day 3 afternoon session. So all the 3 sessions will be handled by Dr. Virudha Nehwani, Professor actually PhD from Vishweshwaraya Technology University, Bangalore. So all the experts are well experienced and from the previous institution. I hope it will be the fruitful session for our entire 5 days. Once again, thanks to especially our Honorable Chairman, M.R. Sudhir sir, and Dr. Surat from IIT Roorkee, director of this 5 days LTV program. And special thanks to Dr. Kadilvar, Technology Madam, and the students, Rogi, Anil, Geeta, and other students for supporting this institution last 3 days. Thank you everyone. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your education knowledge.
It is our great pleasure to welcome Professor Sanjeev Manas, Chief Investigator of IIT, He's a distinguished professor and head of Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at IIT. With over 18 years of research and teaching experience, his expertise in advanced interaction technology, including NAND, Direct Track, NSTED DRAM, Neuromarket, and memory computing, NSTED transistors, MEMS, energy harvesting, and CMOS later. He has authored more than 100 research papers and hold 6 patents. Dr. Manas is PhD Electronics in Electrical Engineering from Newport University at UK during the year 2003. And his MTech in Solid State Technology from IIT Madras in 1996. He has held several prominent academic roles at IIT UK, such as faculty in charge of the business incubator and STEP and chairmanship of department faculty, research and academic program committee. He is a member of IEEE Electronic Device Society and IEEE Solid State Circuit Society.
We kindly welcome Professor Sanjeev Manas sir to deliver the inaugural
Dr. Nandan, within 2 minutes ready. So before we mix it to that.
It is our great pleasure to welcome Dr. Ashwin C. Gowda, a distinguished academician, innovator, and visionary leader in the field of mechanical engineering. With a remarkable academic background, impressive research credentials, and an extensive industry experience, Dr. Gowda is a highly respected figure in Dubai. As a special officer at Visvesvaraya Technological University, founder, coordinator of the AICT Atal Idea Lab, and visiting scientist at SUT Thailand. Dr. Gowda has made significant contribution to education, research, and innovation. We are honored to have him share his expertise and insights with us today.
Now I request for Honorable Principal Dr. M. Krishnan, esteemed guest, esteemed guest, Dr. Ashwin C. Gowda, esteemed scientist from IIT and Professor at Visvesvaraya University. I request our academic director to put the momentum to our honors of this. We kindly welcome Professor Sanjeev Magana sir to deliver the inaugural address for this 5-day factory development program.
is an initiative which has been funded by IT Government of India, and our objective is to collaborate and work with various institutions around India to deliver programs which are of importance to EICT sectors, and also those programs which are very crucial for learning and developing knowledge and expertise in the domain of EICT and in communities. So, as you can see, this program is something where we have three different domains coming together in a cross-functional manner, and the domains which it includes is use of AI, IoT, EV systems, and charging networks. So through this program, I am sure that the participants, in particular the daily members, will get to know how IoT along with the AI can be effectively used in developing and designing and understanding EV systems and the charging networks. Needless to say that the future is full of opportunities in EV technologies, and learning these technologies is equally crucial and important for the study members so that they can upgrade their knowledge in this area and then become conversant and understand the core issues of this technology. We hope that the ultimate beneficiaries of this program are the students. What really we are trying to do in this initiative is to develop those programs which help study members and the participants abreast with the technologies by the use of AI, machine learning, blockchain, and enabling technology like IoT, electrical vehicles, cloud, and various other domains. Training on the program also helps the participants, particularly the study members, connect with the industry and both foster innovation as well as inculcate innovative teaching approaches, understanding industry trends, aligning with the NUE 2020, and also enhancing learning experiences with technology. These activities we also hope will allow better curriculum development, better curriculum delivery and implementation, which does have real-world applications and technologies, ensuring that the graduates that come out of those institutions are addressed, are updated, are trained in those skills which are required by the industry. Activities are also very good platform for networking and collaboration. So we do hope that while our study members are attending these programs, they are seeking opportunities for collaboration, network, learning from each other, and creating long-term connections with the experts, with the resource persons, and benefit not only themselves but also at the same time benefit their institution as well. We do expect participants to stay actively engaged during the program, attend all the lectures and hands-on sessions, collaborate, and importantly, we also expect that the learning that happens here is ultimately transferred, delivered, and shared also with the students at your own institute in the form of curriculum, module, lab, projects, etc. And we do also hope that you will stay updated when we end this program, and we do look forward to also your feedback. Our key goal of organizing such activities is to ensure that by upgrading and learning new content, new technologies, we are able to ultimately give some other form of knowledge and benefit the graduates of your own institute, help them learn new technologies, expose them to latest trends, and give them those skills which are required in the industry. So ultimately, what we are trying to do through this program, which is also the mandate from Government of India's program, is to improve the employability and skills of the students by working in a mode called train the trainer. So I do hope that, and I also request and encourage all study members out there to keep this grand vision in mind, that we do want to make sure that through learning new technologies ourselves, we are ultimately impacting, empowering, facilitating, and giving right sort of skills to the students. 1 week is not enough for a vast topic like this, but it is our hope that you will be able to develop enough fundamentals and gain insight into what's happening in the industry, some practical application, and then continue to learn yourself and also give interesting problems in this domain to the students. So, welcome again to all the participants, and congratulations to administration and coordinators for launching this program. The ICT Academy is basically it is an initiative we are running through the support of Government of India's mighty program, and our objective is to organize such program for the benefit of academy members, working professionals, and students also. Ultimately, hoping that we will be able to create an impact in transforming learning, developing new streams, new courses, and helping our students countrywide to become better skilled, better trained, and better prepared for challenges of tomorrow, for opportunities in industry, and benefit society as a whole. We offer certificate. Once you finish this program, this can be used for your own credentials, for ranking, for your own sort of development, and is a valuable certificate. This is treated at par with other programs, and to take benefit of this opportunity. PhD Academy, as I mentioned earlier, we work with institutes around the country in organizing various sort of programs which are of importance and which are of leading technologies. In the model called Hub and Spoke, These programs are fully funded through the initiatives supported by MIT, and we look forward to any institute around India who want to collaborate with us and organize a activity like what we are doing now. Do reach out to us, and we'll be very happy to work with you. You can send us email or contact us or go to our website. In addition to what we do, we also do various other programs like short-term certificate, advanced certificate, PG certificate, and we are also running programs which are PG level certificate programs in various areas. We are running at least 3 different PG certificate programs. These programs are meant for working professional students and also those learners or individuals who are actually looking to do a specialization by learning from IT professors and IT industry experts, but they do not have time to attend the full-time program. So we have this nearly 6 months of active engagement over weekends and evenings. You will be taught by professors from IIT and experts, and the quality and the level of delivery and engagement is the same as the master level program at IIT with a very nominal fees. And we are not running this program for any kind of profit. It is just minimal for sustainability. So if you know somebody, your students, professional or graduates who are looking to upgrade themselves and develop their expertise in cloud computing and DevOps, electrical vehicles, data science, you can reach out to us and we'll be happy to discuss these programs. So in the end, again, thank you very much, and we do look forward to your feedback, and also we do look forward to your very active engagement throughout this program, as well as also look forward to again working with you, collaborating with you for any other new program. I wish all the learners out there, all the faculty out there, a great learning experience. I do hope that this topic that we will do with the leading experts that we have raised to with the collaboration of the Madrasa Institute of Engineering and Technology, that it will open new opportunities as well as also lead to implementation and delivery and incorporation of the content in your own curriculums for the larger benefit of the students. So with this, I would like to conclude and say thank you to all, as well as also wish you all the best, a great learning experience, and we do look forward to hearing from you, and also working with one or more of your institute to organize similar programs in future also. So thank you very much, and over to you.
Thank you, sir, for your real information. It's useful to us. We cordially welcome our today's guest and speaker to share his experience with us.
Very good morning. First and foremost, I would like to thank Dr. Sarana and Honorable Principal and management of Madrasa Institute of Technology. As Professor Sanjeev sir was rightly mentioning about what's the need of this faculty development program. One thing is we have to update ourselves. And when I was seeing the title, it says about 3 technologies, emerging technologies. Everything is about emerging. One is IoT is there, Internet of Things. Second, they are focused more on artificial intelligence. And third one, it's about the energy, battery management, or charging networks. So this title is very well chosen first thing. And second thing is, it is the requirement, present situation. Maybe in the sector of education, after the corona impact, we are seeing there is a lots of changes. And sir also mentioned in the new education policy 2020, Government of India initiative, every institute, so nowadays trying for the best. Everyone is looking for the collaborations. Everyone is looking for the networking. So this is something very important. 5 days strategic development program. So many of the students are also part of this activity. So what is this importance which our students identify they want to tell you? There is a skill gap. Between our students, not only in entire India, 15% of students are after their completion they are getting job. 15%. I don't know the percentage. So this type of activities give you a area where you can encash the things if you are from electronics. You need to now you are thinking I need to go for AI, how you implement. So being in electronics, so you need to upskill your this thing. From electronics, you are 100% able to learn artificial intelligence. So if I just want to continue in my career in electronics or whatever it is, then that is called reskilling. So here the skilling is very important. For who are the maybe some of the patterns also maybe we are thinking to shift over the things. So interdisciplinary approach or multidisciplinary approach is possible only for this type of activities. And once again maybe I will talk more about today I will be discussing about AI engineering and some of the battery technologies maybe advocate from the government initiatives and discussing inclusion. By this thing, once again, I would like to welcome all the facilities and students. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Today's session begins. Thank you, Varun.
Very good morning. I would like to welcome our my presentation, AI Emerging Technologies. Before going to my slides, I would like to introduce about myself and my university. Myself, Dr. Ashwin. I am working as a special officer in British University. I am from Department of Mechanical Engineering. And if I just want to talk about the program, many are aware about video game. Coming to the video, we Institute Technological University, which was being established in 1998. First thing, and second thing is we are the largest technical institute in the country. We are having about 228 and we are having the post-graduation study centers also. This is one thing video that you can see. The first campus, video modality, and the PG center, where I am working, and we are offering only postgraduate and undergraduate and research program. And second one is offering the video high school, and also PG center. And next one, and this is the next campus. We are having video Kalburgi and video Bedawagi. And this is the skill center what we are having. And coming to the verticals, like the courses what we are offering in the Institute Technological University, mainly we are focusing on the smart manufacturing and aero propulsion technology is there, applied science, nanotechnology department is there, and smart planning. And in the MBA and MCA, we are offering our courses, especially in our department, the PG Technology. Next slide. So, we are 4 faculty members. We are having some fundings, and I also am the coordinator of the IDL with 45 million, 4.5 crore rupees funding I got received from AICTE for establishment of the idea. And second is another professor is also having 12.8 million rupees that is being funded by the DTU. And third one, Dr. G.S. Venkatesh, 4 million is also having initiation project. And Professor Matt Swami is also having 1.2 million. These are the developments of our department and faculty members. So before going to the emerging technologies, let me brief about how this today after the corona impact, maybe 21st century of education has impacted the real world. Before going to this, I just want to know about the industry 4.0. Many have been aware of the industry 4.0. Yes or no? Yeah, fine. Sir, actually, when we go for industry 1.0, like in 18th century, how was the revolution was happened? We were from the 17th to 18th century, every industry were working in the cottage. We didn't have any concept of like mass production or anything. Only mechanical productions were there in the industry 1.0, that is in the 18th century. And moving to the 19th century, we invented the electricity, and the changes happened from the mechanical production to we moved on to the mass production and the assembly line. For example, if you think of mass production, the first things the form was by the Japanese culture itself, mass production. And if you think of assembly line, unit was also formed by the Ford car company manufacturer. So this is something like industry shift every year, every century we got shifted. And in the middle of 20th century, ICT and electronics came into the revolutionize the world. In the ICT means information communication technology. In the third, industry 4.0, and everything we came to know about the automated process and networking of the production line network was being formed by the industry 3.0. And coming to the industry 4.0 presently, today what we are talking about the advancements of the technology. It might be AI or cloud computing or big data, robotics, additive manufacturing. Everything comes and arrives in the industry 4.0. So if I just want to brief or give a definition of industry 4.0, it is the integration. Industry 4.0 is the integration of all the technologies, emerging technologies, what I mentioned. One is about AI, plus IoT, robotics. These are all integrations of the industry 4.0. So one thing is ensure that this technology enables machines to learn, devices and systems to communicate with one another and make decisions without human interference. Means these are the things without the interference of the humans, they can make the decision. Today we are training the machines. So this is the present scenario of what is happening in the industry 4.0. And because of this, today machines are being trained and we are facing the job loss in the market also because of the industry 4.0. And industry 4.0, why this is very much important for every industry? Because they want to have something called higher in the productions. Maybe they need more efficiency in their job or accuracy in the mechanical production or whatever the unit they are doing. And this industry 4.0 has impacted in the industries like healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, transportation, and energy sectors also. So this is the overview of the industry 4.0. So if I just think about industry, maybe beyond the industry 4.0, what is my pattern? Already in industry 4.0, today we are facing lots of jobs market in the jobs. So second thing is, if we think of industry 5.0, integration of AI and quantum. Maybe nowadays quantum technology is used for solving the many complex problems. So this is the one thing, whereas these things are also integrating, aligning with the industry. And expansions of decentralized technologies like blockchain and repository is also in the industry, above the industry 4.0. And advancements and biotech and sustainable energy solutions. Today we have seen in the defense also, the recent war also, S-400 was there. Now above that S-500 is also coming. So this is the something everything which is getting into advancements. And what happens, increasing these automations in industries requires new workforce adaptations. That is what I said. The skill is very, very important. Maybe trying to reskill or upskill is very much important. Okay. So the technologies, what I am telling, these are the things, emerging technologies. One is artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, blockchain, big data, Internet of Things, AR, VR, artificial, and robotics. So maybe I will be explaining 4 to 5 technologies about what is AI and what is this machine learning, deep learning, and robotics. I am not going to complete the set of things. Maybe 4 to 5 I will be going with the slides itself. So what do you mean by artificial intelligence? Today, what has happened? Every industry, some industries, even the education sectors, even every student wants AI. But even the parent doesn't know what is this AI. But everyone wants artificial AI or emerging technologies. So first thing is we need to understand what is this AI. AI refers to the simulation of intelligence. One thing is it is simulation of human intelligence in machines that program to think, reason, learn like humans. For example, if my mobile data is being switched on, it's slowly listening us. If the internet system data is on, it's slowly listening us, and it is even able to track. And if we are discussing among our friends or students or what family members, what we are discussing, it's slowly listening. So if we are talking about something about something new shoes in the market, so whenever you open immediately Google or some searching engine, the immediately things are being talking about. How is it possible? Because of the AI. Because it has been learning from the humans itself, the first thing. And the second thing is about if I just want to go with the key technologies of AI. For example, machine learning. Machine learning means AI learn from data to improve over the time. First thing is about the machine learning. So what are the data or the inputs we are giving to the computer or whenever we are speaking. So this data has been captured by the machine learning concepts. One thing. And if you think of next level, like deep learning is also there. Use of neural networks. Complex data like images and speeches. If you give it or not, like today, especially in the defense sector, already they are doing very much advanced. If you just put one photo, if you give millions of photos into the deep learning concept, so you will identify what is an error or not, what is it. Today, this type of advancements, the AI cameras, everywhere it is integrated. Wherever I am going, the image itself captured and described and described. This we are being sincerely being tracked every time because of the AI or the emerging technologies. And the third one is about the natural language processing. So this is something enables AI to understand, generate human language. Example, everyone knows about ChatGPT. This one, but above the ChatGPT now, agentic AI. Anyone knows about agentic AI? Above the ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT will be replaced very soon, within 1 or 2 years maybe. Agentic AI is coming into the picture. If I just want to have something related to, for example, if I want to search some data or some interpretations within our data can be easily generated by the agentic AI. So soon ChatGPT and these things will be launched in the market also. And the fourth is about the computer vision. In this thing, what is happening? It's a facial recognition. Computer vision is facial recognition. And what this the data which are being captured from machine learning, deep learning, and finally it comes to the computer vision, where every the facial recognition can be done from this type of technology. And the fourth one is about the robots. AI powered machines.
Take the chair. Plastic chair. రెండు మాత్రం వేస్తారు.
ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఎక్స్ట్రా ల్యాబ్ ఉంది
సార్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ మళ్ళీ కండక్ట్ చేపిస్తామని చెప్పారు. వేరే వాళ్ళు మళ్ళీ కండక్ట్ చేస్తారని ప్రశాంత్ అంటున్నారు సార్ వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చిన ల్యాబ్ బయట
నేనే బండి అక్కడే ఉన్నది
Yeah. Let us continue now. Sorry, we had some technical glitches from here. Maybe I was discussing about the artificial intelligence. Like I mentioned about some of the key technologies of AI where it can be applied. And I mentioned about all these things, machine learning, deep learning, and natural language and computer vision. Finally, about to talk about robotics. So this robotics is also nowadays using AI powered machines to perform like physical tasks without the interference of the humans. Maybe autonomously or self-driven robots are also there in the market. Okay. So this is something about the key AI technologies and where this AI applications can be integrated. Maybe starting from the edge. So AI driven diagnostics, drug discovery, and robotic surgeries are also possible from the this AI applications. One is the healthcare. Second is about the energy. The what the MPP main concept is about the energy means it's about the battery technology or about the maybe charging grids. In what is happening, especially in the like EV mobility, we cannot identify the problems happen in the battery. With no minute, it can explode. This AI will help us at giving the messages or giving the signals to the through the internet, to the server and to the receiver. Maybe like accidents can be avoided. If you believe it or not, today the technologies, especially in the battery sectors, you might have heard about Tesla or BYD. So today the BYD is using the blade battery technology. No one knows about that one. Means they have just move ahead with the lead. We have know about the lithium ion batteries, but these people are working on the lithium iron phosphates batteries also. They are working. That is the one thing. Beauty of the this BYD and what you call second is Tesla is also working on the same battery concept. And coming to the AI, another is about the finance. Maybe fraud detections can be identified by the minimizing. And second thing is about the algorithm trading and risk assessments also can be possible. As I mentioned, autonomous driving vehicles. Already Germany and China they are using the self-driving cars without the interference of the humans also. So these are the advancements of the AI in the automobile sector also. And cyber security. More on AI detects and responds the cyber threats. And moving on to the e-commerce industry also, everything like inventory management and chatbots, everything is there. And smart cities, AI optimizes traffic signals. Today in Bangalore, we are using presently, this is smart cities as AI traffic signals. It is being already and energy and public services. And the future of AI means, if I just want to tell, it can make its decisions more transparent without the interference of humans. That is what we are every day making to learn for the machines. And quantum AI, very complex problems can be solved by the quantum AI. Maybe quantum materials is different, quantum technology is different, quantum AI is something more advanced like solving critical problems, especially in cryptocurrencies and all trading and all. Nowadays, there is this type of technology. And human AI collaborations, enhancing human capabilities with AI assistance. So moving to the next slide, it is about Internet of Things. So what do you, everyone knows about internet. So when I want to commit from Bangalore to Mother Teresa College, without the just I want some data, I just search in the Google, I am getting some information without any interference of humans or anything. If I just search Mother Teresa, what are the branches? It's showing. It means it's an internet means it's exchange of data. That's the one thing. The internet refers to a network of interconnected physical devices that collect and exchange data over internet without human interference. That is one thing. And moreover, the key components of IoT. What are the key components? One is about the sensors and devices. Maybe collect data. For example, different types of sensors we are using. One thing. And second thing, we need connectivity is also very much important. Use of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or 5G and nowadays 6G advancements is also happening in the market, we can see. And LPWAN to transmit data. And data processing, cloud or edge computing analysis collected data, one thing. And user interface is like mobile apps, dashboards or AI interface for the interactions. This is something about the Internet of Things. If I just want to go, what are the types of where IoT is being used? One is we are using the consumer IoT, maybe smart homes. Today, by the voice command, I am able to control the lights. By the claps, home automations, just single clap, light switch on, double clap, light switch on. So these are some of the things as we came into the because of the advancements of the internet. And second is about the industrial IoT. Means what is this? Have you heard about dark factories? Anyone? Dark factories. I'm not talking about smart factories. Dark factories. Recently in China, they have started with the dark factories. Means they are working with every industries, robots, humans. They are completely replaced humans. Robots are working without the light also. 24/7. So China has already moved into some more advancements into the dark factories. Like smart factories, we have heard. That is what I mentioned about Industry 4.0. All the technologies what they are all implementing. And moving to the health sector also, internet is very very important. Nowadays, because of internet, operations are possible. From doctors can give assistance from another place. So today, the sir gave a brief introduction about what is about factory development, about IoT area. So this is how the advancements happen. Without the presence, where in every sector we can push the things because of the Internet of Things. And the smart city same thing. It will come as I mentioned in AI. One thing what happens here, Internet shares the data. Without the data and transits in time, without these things, AI is also not possible. So that is one thing, beauty of the IoT. Intelligent traffic system, as I mentioned, energy efficient infrastructure, that is one thing, types of IoT. And future of IoT, as I mentioned, 6G already, they are into the advancements. 6G options are soon coming into the market, and edge computing is there. And AI integrations, smarter automation and decision making, blockchain for enhanced security and transparency of data transactions. So there are two things I just mentioned about AI and Internet of Things. And third one, we are going into the robotics. Robotics is a field of technology that designs and builds and operates robots to perform tasks, as I mentioned, autonomously or semi-autonomously. Today we have seen in the wars also, recent wars, they have used different types of self-driven vehicles also without the intervention of driver. So robots are also operated in like very different warfares. And types of robots, as a one thing I just talked about, industrial robots used in manufacturing, assembly lines, and automation, where we cannot go. For example, in Toyota, we are having Toyota manufacturing plant nearby Bangalore. Maybe if you imagine one Toyota car comes within 12 minutes in the office. 12 minutes, they are one complete assembly line unit is complete car is being manufactured within the 12 minutes, including the assembly also, including the paint shop, including the everything, equipment, interiors, everything. 12 minutes, every 12 minutes the car is coming out in the factory. So that is the concept. These Japanese follow discrete time and one Kaiser methods. So they are doing all these things in the industries. And these advancements like industrial robots, maybe you can think about the KUKA robots, picking place robots, where human cannot go to some very difficult place where you cannot work. But these KUKA robots, picking place robots, will automatically work at a very precision level. This is working about the industry. And coming to the service robots used in healthcare, and nowadays not only healthcare, even the hotels you can see they have replaced the waiters. Even the robot automatically it serves to the table number what are the you just click and order, you just come from the kitchen. So this is also something very much operated. As I mentioned, hospitality, they are already using the use for operations and many things they are using service robots. And home assistance is also there. And coming to the autonomous robots, as I mentioned, self-driving vehicles. Without humans, these can be done. Maybe 2040 in India, we can do this type of like a self-driven cars. And humanoid robot designed to reassemble and interact like humans. For example, how the behavior of a humans, like we can do same thing. Robots are being trained in such a way for performing the different types of based on the applications. And medical robots are also in there. And coming to the applications of robots, as I mentioned, same thing, everything, emerging technologies, everything is being related with one or other things. Like manufacturing industries, there is the production line, as I mentioned, and healthcare is there, agriculture. For example, like drones are also being operated for pesticides. And if a human can go and do the chemicals for 1 acre, 1 day, these type of robots or drones can spray entire community of the village. So this is the things, the advancements that think in the research sector also, and moreover the crop farming is also happening. And military and defense, as I mentioned, drones exactly they are being placed. Only the coordinates is required. If you just give the coordinates, if you are sitting this many people, if I just coordinate that point, it will just whatever it may be. So and these things are also advancements is happening in the military and defense sector. And coming to the logistics, warehouse automations means today how the Amazon should be handling. Every minute they are getting lakhs of orders. Every minute lakhs of orders. So how do they manage it? Because from these types of robots, automatically things are being done. And self-driving cars are there, and many things are working in this logistics and transportation sector. And maybe the future trends in robotics, AI-powered robotics, smarter self-learning robots. Already two robots are in the market, maybe that is also being replaced by. After the robots, maybe next is about robots, collaborative robots. That will also be soon, it will hit the market. So the defense sectors they are having, but they don't want to reveal many of the technologies for it. And as I mentioned, robots working alongside humans, and small robots, multiple robots working together for complex tasks. And third one is about the brain interface. So now coming to the next set of technology, as I mentioned AI, maybe I am giving some inputs about what AI, what is Internet of Things, what is robots. Maybe everyone might be knowing, but still I am trying to add some information on this emerging technology. Now coming to the machine learning. So what is machine learning? Just one thing. Machine learning is subset of AI. Subset of AI. System to learn from data and improve over time without explicit program. Means it is a subset of AI. Can you understand? If deep learning comes to it, it's a subset of machine learning. Subset of machine learning. If I think talking about deep learning. So what this exactly does, where these applications can be used. As a same thing, every emerging technologies, every industries are using. Same technologies only I am talking. But everyone wants advancements. Even today in ChatGPT, if you open, now they are doing deep research. Deep learning is also being integrated. So every day it is more advanced. Maybe the expert says the AI is just 13 years old kid. Expert says. But once it attains the age of 20, if it attains the age of 20, so anything in every industry, every changes, it can impact. That is what I was telling. Industry 5.4 comes means maybe many of will lose the job, and even these Chinese people are building like 1 billion of robots. This is also we are just it's a problem. We didn't know that corona can be complete world. Completely we stopped for many days. It impacted the economy, it impacted many of the lives, it changed many latest are the 1 million robots are came into the market. This imagine they are developing. I don't want to come here. The robot even classroom, no teachers is required. The robots is there. Even in banking sectors. So they are making. If this year attains 20 at the age 20, many changes will happen on the population. That's for sure. And this coming to the machine learning applications. If I want to tell, it's about the healthcare, same thing, personalized medicines. Which what happens once the prescription doctor what he has given earlier and this same data sets, and if it is not working properly or something, maybe more things can be added on the prescriptions. So they are working completely. If you think about in the health sector, nano drug is there. More knows about nano drug. What happens? For example, if I am having headache, I am just taking like that for complete my body. But this nano drugs exactly targets that location itself, that part. So if we are having body pain, having hand pain here, so I am taking complete body medicine or tablet. So what is happening? That is, now in nano drugs comes into the place means so that exactly target this location, that location. So there is the beauty of the many things is happening in the advancements in the health sector also. And maybe because of nowadays finance many frauds happening still. Whenever we are busy, suddenly someone calls and person, sir, OTP is there, we are changing bills on that. They immediately do all the fraud and all these things happening. So this is also one thing we can avoid very from this type of machine learning or deep learning technologies. And e-commerce also, then nowadays actually there is this type of things. And autonomous vehicles, same thing. Optical detection, then more precisely. And cyber security, threat detections, and real-time security monitoring. So in quantum, actually I mentioned it is something about combining machine learning with quantum computing technologies and AGI, AI-powered automation, expanding ML in all industries. This is what is happening in the coming years. So now we are going to the deep learning. As I mentioned, it is a subset of ML. Whereas machine learning is a subset of AI. So everything is just one by one, it is interconnected. Same thing, in this thing, this is using artificial neural networks and learn from large amount of data mimicking the human brain. So if I just want to tell some of the neural networks, different types of neural network means, we are having DNA, artificial neural network, basic deep learning models, and CNN is there, and RNN transformers, and for NLP, ChatGPT, and BERT. And even these things will be replaced by the agentic AI. So this is something applications. So everything, what are the emerging technologies I'm speaking, every industry is being connected, and some of the industries are being moved forward because of the technologies they are trying to learn and implement things. Same thing here, image recognition, facial recognition. As I mentioned, like today, if we give the crime records of 100 or 1 billion photos also, if we give, it will exactly identify what is that person's background, everything, verifications can be done by the. So these are all some of the transactions securely and transactions across the various computers. See nowadays what is happening, even this big data sets, what we are having, if the many things are like this era is completely getting so much of things will come into the place. So this is something key characteristics, decentralizations, no central authority, just stored across multiple processes. For example, if I am sending money to some customer, data is stored into 10 to 15 networks. Maybe because they need to verify this, XYZ operating the things. So if I just want to it's more about the security enhancements and users cryptographic hashings, many things the day. This is about the blockchain and types of blockchain. There is the bitcoins and private blockchain and trusted blockchain, hybrid blockchains. And some of the applications is also there. You can just see cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies. This is something of blockchain applications and supply chain management, healthcare, and voting system, and many of the countries they are making this topic secure voting system. So this is something about I just wanted to complete my this emerging technology, and I will go one case study of like how this emerging technologies, what I have been implemented in my idea. I want to give the technologies. So this is something coming to the my campus like Adelaide. But till now, maybe I have trained about 500 institutions across India. 500 institutions across India, and 10,000 students are visited my idea, and 1,000 students, 1,000 faculties have been under training in area. So the concept of area is something. So what we are doing is studying in the lab. 90% is about the lab activities. Only 10% is about the classroom activities. So this has shown much interest for our students also. Maybe when they want to, whenever we are